So prediction market volume is continuing to explode, and so is the volume for all of these different prediction market bots and copy trading bots, and for good reason, because there is a lot of opportunity in this space right now. And you've got to stay up to date on what's going on and new updates on these tools, because when it comes to copy trading specifically, you certainly want to be using the best and fastest one, so you're able to get in before everyone else. And right now that seems to be Polygon. Polygon is an incredible copy trading bot for Polymarket. If we head over to the builder program where we can see all of the most popular tools for Polymarket, you can see that February was a crazy record month for these tools. But on the daily, Polygon has been exploding recently and is now basically on a shared second place with Polycop and Stand.trade for the most popular tools, and therefore the biggest copy trading bot, because betmore.fun don't have a copy trading feature. And as you can see on their Twitter as well, February was a breakout month for Polygon, $33 million in volume, 6 million transactions executed, and 23,000 Telegram users, and growing fast. This is, I believe, the fastest growing bot at the moment, for good reason, because it is currently the best one. Let me show you exactly how you set this up, how you use all their different features, and how you can maximize the output of actually using Polygon. So when you get started with Polygon, this is what it will look like. So you will have your current positions, your available balance, active orders, and total net worth. You then can go into specific markets. If there's anything specific you want to trade, like politics, geopolitics, sports, crypto, etc., you can scroll through different markets. You can click onto any market you want, just click trade, and you can super easily get in and out of trades, do limit orders, etc. But today we're here for their copy trading feature specifically, which right now seems to be the fastest one out there. But principle number one when it comes to copy trading is obviously finding the best wallets possible to actually copy, because if not, you will just be losing money. So they have this smart wallet section in their bot where they list a few different wallets, but as you can see, they have like hundreds of people copying them. And that is something that I don't like. I don't like to copy people who have hundreds of other people copying that wallet, because chances of you making money is pretty low. But they do have links for these other websites, Polymarket Analytics, which is great, and Predictfolio. So if I open these two links, this is what Predictfolio looks like, and this is what Polymarket Analytics look like. Polymarket Analytics is my favorite because they have so many traders listed. So you can literally look through millions of wallets here if you want to. You can click onto any specific ones to see more details of their trades, their current positions, etc. And once you find a wallet that you like, they actually have integrated Polygon right here for copy trading. So if you just click on this Polygon logo and you open Telegram, it will bring you back into Polygon, and you can then set up your copy trading task. Now, by the way, if you haven't signed up to Polygon yet, make sure to do so with the link down below to get less fees on their platform, which will save you a lot of money over time. But let's say for this example, I just want to copy this Theo4 guy. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend that to you guys, because this is the #1 ranked person on this Polymarket Traders tool, which means he probably has hundreds of people copying him. So I would definitely spend a lot more time analyzing these wallets and finding the best ones. But to just show you how you can set this up, just click on add new copy trade task. Then you need to paste whatever address you want to be copying. You can give it a nickname. So in this case, let's just do Theo4. You can choose if you want to copy him for a fixed amount every trade, a percentage of whatever he trades for. So this copy trades based on how large the position is relative to the leader's total portfolio. So if he has a portfolio of $1,000, you have $100, and he buys for $100, which is 10% of his portfolio, you would copy for $10, which is 10% of your portfolio. But in this case, let's just do a fixed amount, and we'll do $10. You can then set a max amount per trade, but I'm just going to do no limit in this case. You then have any price ranges you want to be trading. Maybe you don't want to copy trades that have 99% chance of happening or 1% chance of happening, because obviously the upside isn't so high if it's 99%, and the downside is pretty high if it's just 1%. Super low chance, obviously, so I will choose anywhere between 5 and 95 cents. You then have your slippage tolerance. I prefer having it at approximately 10%. That is fine. Then just click confirm and you are good to go. And you are now basically copying this person. And Polygon also has a super active community in their prediction desk Telegram chat, which is just their community chat, where they share a lot of profitable trades, a lot of profitable wallets, etc. So definitely recommend you joining that too. I will link that chat down below. But if you're new to copy trading, it's super easy to get started with. Like I just showed you, if you just sign up, the first thing you obviously do is need to click onto your wallet, and it gives you the option to deposit either on Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, BNB. So it gives you loads of options. So just do whichever one you prefer and you are good to go. Now, like I said, the most important thing when it comes to copy trading is just analyzing loads and loads of wallets to make sure you find the best ones and the ones that are kind of under the radar that other people are not copying. If you would like me to make a video on exactly how I do that with AI these days, I have made an AI bot that analyzes Polymarket wallets and then gives me the best ones. I'm happy to share that with you, exactly how you can do that. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will look into making that video very, very shortly, because AI these days is super powerful, and especially when it comes to analyzing data and analyzing wallets, it is absolutely incredible. So if you want to see more content like that, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you want to check out Polygon, check out the link down below to get less fees when trading. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.